Hello my KCET 2026 champions. So a very good evening to all of you, and I can see so many participants already here. So hi everyone, hello Fireball, hello KCET aspirants, Rupa Shri, a very good evening to you, and I have Manvita, very good evening Bria.
Fireball,
So just a minute. Yeah, so we have Madhavi. So hi Madhavi, how are you? And we have Craft Shower here and Rupa BD. So everyone, a very good evening to all of you, and I am very sure that you are super excited for today's live session, right? Okay, so as you all know, we have started this new form of thing, that is live quizzes, where we will be doing and you will be answering the questions, and you will be able to check that who is leading in that particular chapter, right? So this is very important to have a competition among your peer people, among yourself, to understand that what is your level of preparation, right? So it is very simple. Okay, I'll be just telling you. Yeah, okay, Usha, hi dear, hello, good evening. So okay, so I'll be telling you the basic rules how you can join this quiz session. Okay, let me just take the pen. Yes, so how to join the quiz session? So you have to go to your browser, okay, and just type menti.com. Let me spell it out, menti.com. Okay, so once you click on once you go to this link, you will be getting a place where you have to enter a code. Okay, and what is the code here? So the code is right on the screen, you can see, that is 53197534. 53197534. Okay, so once you put this code and then click join in, you will be entering to the quiz competition that we are having today. Okay, so there will be 10 questions. Okay, very interesting and tricky questions I have brought for all of you to check all of your knowledge. Okay, Ashia, say my name. Hi Ashia, very good evening to you. Okay, we have Huligappa, so very hi, good evening dear. Yes Ashia, I have taken your name. Fireball has already joined, and I want all of you, everyone, to join quickly and put a thumbs up here that you have joined the session. Then we will be starting with the first question from the first chapter of chemistry, that is solutions, right? Yes, so Peace, hi dear, hello Peace. Nisha Nayak, again, hi, very good evening dear. Yes, Usha is ready. Peace, good evening. Please join the quiz session quickly and give a thumbs up here so that I can know that all of you have joined and we can start the session. Yes, I can find 23 students live here, so I want all these 23 people to quickly join the quiz session. Okay. Yes, how to answer, ma'am? So dear, there will be 4 options. Okay, you just need to click on the correct option. So in your mobile screen, you can see the options. So you just need to click on the correct option. Please go to menti.com, menti.com. Go to the browser, click, type there menti.com, then join the quiz session. For joining, you need a code, and that code is given on the top of the screen here, 53197534. Okay, just type this code and click on join button, and then you will be able to join the session. Okay, yes, DS Edits is saying yes joining. So dear, please join, I'm waiting for you. Yes, Craft Shower, the website name is menti.com, menti.com. Okay, menti.com. Rupashri, yes ma'am, I have joined. Very good Rupashri. And yes, so we have so many students here now. I think everybody would have joined right now. So shall we start with the first question? Yes, let me just wait for 1 more minute. Okay, 1 more minute, let me wait and let's see all the students. So I can see 5 thumbs ups here. Manvita has joined, Rupa has joined, Usha has joined, Fireball has joined, KCET has joined. Yes, students, much more people, please quickly join. Yes, okay, hi KCET aspirants, a very good evening. Okay, Craft Shower has also joined. Now I think all are ready. So today is a big tight competition you have to give to your fellow friends, and you have to see who is the lead topper in this quiz competition. Okay, how many questions are there? There are 10 interesting and tricky questions. We'll be starting from the easy towards the difficult question, and I have one calculation based question, so keep your notebook and pen ready. Okay, there is one question where you need slightly calculations, so please be ready with your notebook and pen. Okay, so we are ready now. Ready? On your mark, let's start. Yes, so we have the first question here. Okay, just a minute. Okay, the law which indicates the relationship between the solubility of a gas in a liquid and pressure is. So you have 60 seconds to answer. Raoult's law, Henry's law, lowering of vapor pressure, Van 't Hoff law. Which law gives you a relationship between the solubility of a gas in a liquid and pressure? Okay, so we have so many likes here. I think students have already started answering. Yes. Please, we have just left with 37 seconds. So 12 students have answered. Yes. Raoult's law, Henry's law, lowering of vapor pressure, Van 't Hoff law. Which law tells you the relationship between solubility of a gas in a liquid and its pressure? Yes. So okay, I can also find the answers in the comment section here. So those who have completed there, you can come to the YouTube and answer me there also. I have got Chandana BA how to answer. Students, dear, you have to join to menti.com. Just go to your browser and type menti.com. Then you will have a code where you have to insert a code. There is a code given here, 53197534. Enter that and then you will be able to answer the question. So here we have the answer. 12 students have given correct answer. 3 students have given wrong answer. Okay, and 1 student have given Raoult's law also. Yes, the correct answer is Henry's law. Henry's law tells you about the solubility of a gas in a liquid with relation of pressure. It tells more the pressure, more is the solubility, right? So let's see the leaderboard. Who is leading this race today? Oh my God, we have today Broom at the first point, at the first place with 981 points. And remember, you might be thinking that all of you have given correct answer. Why the points are different? It is based on the speed. The one who answers first will get more points. Okay, so 975 points. We have Boti at Sakura is in third place with 961 points. We have Lola at 960 points. Stingilicious for 944, Tom for 914, Hola Shaw for 892, Snuggles for 865, Ted for 816 and Dr. Centipede for 794. Okay, yes. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Once again, I will repeat how to join. Please go to the browser, type menti.com, menti.com. After that, you will be getting a place where you have to enter the code. The code is right on the screen, 53197534. Once you click on the code, join button you have to click. After that, you will be able to participate in the quiz. Okay. Yes, Manvita is I am Broom. Okay, Manvita is leading. All the best, dear, and I hope you continue throughout the process. Okay, Usha is I am Boti. Okay, okay, fine. Now let's move to the second question. So let's see, can Usha beat Manvita or not? Okay, so I'll be 21 players are ready, students. So all the 21 get ready to compete now. Enter. Yes, second question will be now popping out here in few seconds. Yes, which of the following is not a colligative property? You have relative lowering of vapor pressure, boiling point elevation, freezing point depression, molar mass of the solute. Which of the following is not a colligative property? Not a colligative property. We have 4 options here. Relative lowering, boiling point elevation, freezing point depression, molar mass of the solute. 20 seconds are left. 20 seconds are left. Yes. Rupa Shri is I am hula hoop. Okay, Rupa. That's good. Huligappa, I didn't understand your comment. Can you just repeat it? So, yes, 1. Let's see. We have 17 students answering here correct, which is molar mass of the solute. It does not depend on the, it is not a colligative property. All other 3s are colligative property. And one more colligative property we have. Can you comment down that? The 4th colligative property in the YouTube chat section. If you can, please comment that. Okay. So now let's get ready to see the leaderboard. Okay, who is still at the top? Okay, so Broom is there, and let's see who is leading now. Okay, I think Broom will be continuing till the leader. Yes, there is a small change here. ET, there was the person, I don't know who is this, but yes, Manvita has given the answer in the YouTube section as well. Okay, so ET is the one who answered at the fastest. Okay, you know that fastest quick. So, and we have Broom again leading with 1950 points. Okay, and we have Boti still on the second position with 1930, so only 20 points gap. We can clearly match it. Let's move to the third question. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now let's go to the third question. Okay. Once again, I'll just 20 players are ready. So just 1 minute. I'll those who are not able to join, let me just tell you once again. You have to go to the browser, click menti.com. There will be a place to enter a code. Enter this code 53197534. Click on the join button, and then you are ready to face the competition. Yes. Okay. So guys, let's start for the third question. Okay. So the third question will be on the screen within a few seconds. Okay. So Rupa BD, I am Abhi, ma'am. Please note me. Yes, Rupa. Okay. I have remembered. So a solution in which the amount of solute is very low compared to the solvent is called concentrated solution, dilute solution, saturated solution, supersaturated solution. A solution in which the concentration of the solute is very low compared to the solvent. What is the name of that type of solution? Yes, 15 seconds left. Already 20 students have answered. Yes, last 1 second, and the leaderboard goes here. We have 19 students giving correct answer. That's super great, and I hope that means all your concepts are clear now. So one student have given saturated solution and supersaturated solution. These are wrong answers. When you have very low concentration, that is dilute solution. Saturated solution means those solutions where the solute is exactly dissolved, how much could be dissolved. You cannot add any other further solute. And supersaturated means those solutions where you have added more solute than the limit. Okay, so now let's get ready to see the most interesting part, that is leaderboard. Okay, so we have, okay, so Manvita, Usha asked, okay, let's see, is there any change in the first three position? Oh ho, so here's a change. Abhi, that is Rupa, I think, has left Usha behind and came to the second position, and Manvita still leading at the first position, and we have Tom at fourth position, Rupa as fifth position, Digent S, then we have 2376 points, ET at 1855, Saint Elmo at 1818, Garishma at 1767, Anvesha at 1766. So students, you can change your name in the Menti as well. Okay, you can give your original name also. So you can do that. If you want, you can change the name. Okay, so yes, we have very tough competition. You can see with one question the leaderboard has now changed, and this is now getting really interesting. Moving to the next question, please get ready. 4 question, and we have 25 players ready now. Yes, enter. So the fourth question will be out in few seconds. Okay. Okay, Akshay. Okay. Which of the following is a dimensionless quantity? Which of the following is a dimensionless quantity? Molarity, molality, mole fraction, normality. Molarity, molality, mole fraction, and normality. Yes, Sagar, you can answer it in the menti.com, dear. Then you will be in the leaderboard as well. Akshata, no problem. You can continue from the 5th question onwards. Please join in the Menti. Okay, Tom is Anshuman. Okay, dear Anshuman, I'll be telling your name, do not worry. Madhu 4, Vinod Kumar D, Ram and C. Yes. So all those students who are answering in the YouTube, I am very, very proud of you. But you can also participate here if you haven't. Okay. Hi Sish, hi Darshan, hi bro. Yes. Okay. So yes, everyone has voted. That's super. Everyone is fully excited, and the correct answer is 18. Students have given the correct answer is mole fraction, and I have 10 students answering wrong question, wrong answer. Normality. Dear, normality has a unit of n, right? Number of equivalents, we write n there. Okay. For molarity, we write capital M, and for molality, we write small m. But mole fraction is a ratio of number of moles by number of moles, right? So that is why there is no unit here. It is a dimensionless quantity. And I want those students who got this answer wrong, please write down this question or take a screenshot and revise this concept. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let's move to the most interesting part to see the leaderboard now. So we have Manvita, Avi, Usha, Anshuman, who is Tom here. Okay. Fine. So again there is slight change in the third position now. So Tom has overtaken Rupa, and we have Manvita at the first position. Kudos Manvita, you have been consistent here. We have Avi at the second position, Tom at the third position, Rupa at fourth position, and Degent S, Usha, then ET, then Saint Elmo, Ronaldo and Love Site. Okay, so these students are there. And yes, we will be, I am Ronaldo. Okay, KCET aspirants is saying I am Ronaldo. Okay, thank you, thank you. So now we will be moving. So I know everybody is now enjoying, everybody has understood how to join. Those who are now joining, you can also take part in the competition. If you have left some questions, that doesn't matter. Please go to menti.com, put this code and then join the quiz, okay, for the rest of the questions. Okay. Yes, champions, let's move to the next question here. That is question number, we will be having 5. Okay, get ready. 27 players now with us. On your mark, set, go. Okay, so we will be having the next question within a few seconds. All of you be please ready. Which of the following solutions shows positive deviation from the Raoult's law? We have acetone plus aniline, acetone plus ethanol, water plus nitric acid, chloroform plus benzene. Positive deviation from the Raoult's law. Please think properly and answer. This might be a confusing question. Darshan, how to join? Please go to menti.com and type the code given in the screen. Okay. Yes, we have 36 seconds left. C, Jayashri is answering C here. Okay, DS edits, it's Digant. Okay, I'll be taking Digant here. 20 seconds left, students. Acetone plus aniline, acetone plus ethanol, water plus nitric acid and chloroform plus benzene. Positive deviation means less interaction should be there. Yes, 3, 2 and 1. So 22 students have given the correct answer, that is acetone plus ethanol. So dear, positive deviation means what? Means where there is less interaction. Less interaction means they will evaporate better, the vapor pressure will be created more. That is why we call it positive deviation, right? So these are the two solutions. Ethanol has strong hydrogen bonding, so they are very well attracted towards each other. But when you add acetone to that, what happens? After adding acetone, the hydrogen bond is broken, and that is why they can evaporate easily, and that is why they show a positive deviation. Okay, so I know all of you are now waiting for the leaderboard to see. Okay, let's see if there is any change in the Oh, I think Manvita and Abhi has given wrong answer in this question, and Tom now leads the race, that is Anshuman, and we have Digant at the second position, Rupa at the third position, Manvita at the fourth position, Abhi at the fifth position. Usha in this question was the fastest to answer, so kudos Usha, you have sent Elmo, Love Site, Chandana, BA, and then Gayatri. So now in this quiz, the game has completely changed, right? Yes. Okay. Sorry, craft shower, ma'am, Tom is me. Okay, dear, sorry. So we have Tom for craft shower here. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next question. If I have taken anyone's name wrong, so please forgive me for that. There might be a slight confusion. Okay, so students, are you ready for the last 4 questions? We have 28 players ready with us right now, and I'm clicking on the enter to start the quiz. So the next question will be here. Okay, the solubility of a gas in a liquid generally decreases with increase in temperature, decrease in temperature, increase in pressure, decrease in pressure. Solubility decreases with what? Increase in temperature, decrease in temperature, increase in pressure, decrease in pressure. Okay, so we have 33 seconds to answer this question left. Okay, so there is a quite fight between for this name Tom. Craft Shar is saying it is me. CBSE medium education, he's saying that is Anshuman. So whoever, now I'll be calling it as Tom only. Okay, I don't know who is this, but yes, we will be recognizing it as Tom. So 8 seconds left, students. Please hurry up. And we have so many likes here. Yes, last 1 second. So the correct answer is obviously it is option number A, increase in temperature. Solubility of a gas in a liquid will decrease. The classic example for this is your beverages, cold drinks, right? When you keep it in fridge, you can fill the carbonated drinks. When you keep it outside, all the carbon that is dissolved gets escaped out, right? And that is why we don't feel the gas in the cold drinks which is kept at room temperature, right? So generally, when you increase the temperature, the kinetic energy of the gas particles increases and they move out of the liquid, they escape out, right? So we have 19 students here giving correct answer, 5 students wrong, another 5 students wrong, and another 4 students wrong. Okay, so now again, let's see whether this question has brought Manvita to the top or still it is Tom at the top. Okay, so we have, I think there's some changes again. Yeah, Tom is still leading and Rupa has now overtaken here in the 6th question, this one. So Tom is 5585 points, Rupa 5036 and Abhi at 4834 points. And others are there. We have Digant S, we have Manvita, Usha, ET, St. Elmo, Love Site and Johnny. I think Johnny was something, maybe a new player now. Okay, so these are the top students for this particular question. Okay, so guys, let's move forward to the next question. Last 3 questions are left, so let's keep the spirit high and let's hope to be the topper here. 25 players ready now? Yes, 26 actually. Okay, so we have the next question going on. Van't Hoff factor is less than 1 in case of dissociation, more than 1 in case of association, always less than 1 in case of association. Yes, less than 1 in case of dissociation, more than 1 in case of association, always less than 1 and less than 1 in case of association. Yes, 24 students, 24 seconds left, dear. So I was little bit stuck with your chat sections here. Okay. Students, you can also rename your name in Menti quiz. So if you have any confusion with name, please give your original name. You can do that. And we have 5 seconds left. Let's see who is answering the correct answer. Yes. So we have 15 students here giving correct answer, and we have 7 students for giving wrong answers. Option number B and D, there is some confusion, I think, means with the options, but yes, on options are very not very easy. They are slightly tricky, and the words used here are can confuse you, right? So alpha, that is your Van 't Hoff factor, I, degree of dissociation or degree of association. Okay, so I is always greater than 1 in case of dissociation. For example, if NaCl is there, it can dissociate to Na plus and Cl minus. So I value here will be 2, and I value will always be less than 1 for association. For example, your acetic acid associates, dimerizes when you dissolve it in benzene. So their I value becomes 1/2. Right? So in case of association it is less than 1, and in case of dissociation it is more than 1. So we have first option, less than 1 in case of dissociation. No, it is more than 1 in case of dissociation. More than 1 in case of association. No, it is less than 1 in case of association. Always less than 1. No, it is not like that. Less than 1 in case of association. Yes, when it is association it is less than 1. Okay. So now students, let's get ready for the most interesting part again, to see the leaderboard, and I'm now excited to see who is leading. Okay, so these are the students who have given correct answers. Okay, and again I think Tom is leading, then Rupa. Okay, so Abhi has changed the place, and Abhi is at the 2nd position now. Rupa has come to 3rd position, and we have Abhi special mention here, fastest, means he has answered the question with the minimum time. Okay, so Tom, Abhi, Rupa, Manvita, Johnny, Digant S, Chandana BA, Usha, ET and Saint Elmo. Okay students, just 2 more questions to go. Yes, 26 players are ready right now. I hope you have to keep the spirit high and fight till the 10th questions. Okay, nobody should be running out of the quiz in between. Yes. So we have next question to be, yes, which of the following poses the physical state of solute and solvent as liquid and solid respectively? So you have solution of sugar in water, zinc amalgam, solution of naphthalene in benzene, and then brass. You should have one solute as a liquid, and you should have solvent as a solid. In which type of solution that is possible? Craft shower, you can change your name in the menti.com. Just check the option, it is available there. Indian cricket, I am Prajwal. Hi Prajwal. Okay. Yes, 20 seconds. Everyone has voted. Okay, so there is so much I can say distribution of answers in the options. So see students, you need to find out one solution where one solute is in liquid state and solvent is in solid state. If you see sugar and water, okay, so here we have solute, that is sugar. Sugar is the solute which is solid, but question is asking solute has to be liquid, so that is why this is not the answer. We have zinc amalgam. Here we have amalgam, which is mercury, that is a liquid, is a solute, and zinc, the metal, the solid, that is the solid solvent. So zinc amalgam is the correct answer here. Okay, here you have to be very careful. Solute should be liquid. In this particular example, sugar is the solute which is a solid, and water is the solvent which is liquid. But question wants the solvent has to be solid and the solute has to be liquid, and that is present in zinc amalgam, where zinc is the solvent, the solid one, and mercury, the liquid metal, is the solute. Okay, I know this question was very tricky, and those who have answered it wrong, no problem, please revise this concept. Naphthalene and benzene, here both are liquid, okay, and you have brass, here both are solid. Okay, now this leader point will make a lot of changes, and I can see many students answering wrong here. Abhi has given correct answer, Rupa has given correct answer, and Abhi is now leading and is also the fastest like person in this particular quiz with 6,732 points. We have Tom for 6,528, Rupa for 6,378, followed by Manvita, E.T., Johnny. Then we have Digant, Nisha, Chandana and Usha. Okay. Okay, so students, now let's get back to the question session, and we will be having now which number? Question number 9th, right? So last two questions we have. 25 players are still in the game, and let's see the next question. So this question will have calculation, so please be ready with your pen and paper. KH for methane in benzene at 298 Kelvin is 4.27 into 10 to the power of 5 mmHg, mole fraction of methane under 760 mmHg. You have 90 seconds, okay? 1.5 minutes are there, so please don't worry. Do the calculation and then write the answer. You have 1 minute time for that. 1 minute 30 seconds time I have given, so no need to hurry, okay? Henry's law question is there. You have been given with the KH value, you have been given with the pressure value. Just calculate the mole fraction here. Yes. Do the calculation properly. Rough calculation also you can do. The options are very far away from each other, so you can do the calculation easily and it should be correct as well. Okay, just let me have some water, students. Till then you can continue with the calculation. 30 seconds left, please hurry up. Yes, I hope all of you are doing the calculation, and please don't use calculators here. Please do by your own calculation, okay? Just a minute, I am, yes, 6 seconds, 6 seconds, final 6 seconds, last 6 seconds, last 3 seconds, and here we go. Okay, that's super. So 14 students have given correct answer. They have done the calculation, and I hope that all of you have done without calculators, okay? Nobody has cheated here. Is there anyone who has cheated in this question? Please show some honesty and comment down also. Okay, I'm actually unable to see. Yes, fine. So yes, now we have, so this is the general formula, the one and only formula we have. Yes, Rupashri, I will be explaining this problem, don't worry. So we have Henry's law, pressure of the gas is equal to KH into mole fraction, right? P is equal to KH into X. P value is 760. KH value is 4.27 into 10 to the power of 5. So what you have to do, 760 divided by 4.27 into 10 to the power of 5, okay? 760 divided by 4.27 into 10 to the power of 5, okay? If you do this, you will be getting 1.78 into 10 to the power of minus 3, okay? Rupa, is it clear? Rupa, is this question clear? Rupa, if the question is clear, please put a thumbs up. I have already explained. Henry's law, beta, Henry's law question is what? So equation is what? Pressure of the gas is equal to KH into mole fraction, right? Pressure value is 760, KH value is given to me. So how I will calculate mole fraction? Mole fraction will be pressure divided by KH value. 760 divided by 4.27 into 10 to the power of 5. Okay? No, Rupashri, in KCET calculator is not allowed, okay? Okay, so dear, I think this question is done. Now let's see the leaderboard, because this can be a game-changing question, and we have Abhi, Tom, and are giving correct answers, and here there is a change in the position at this place, and Abhi is still leading, Tom second position, and Rupa is at the third position. We have E.T. for fourth position, Johnny, Chandana, Manvita, Nisha and Usha, and we have S here. And Usha in this particular question is our fastest candidate, okay? So students, now we have reached to the last question, and this is going to be very easy question. So all of you be ready with your fingers on the mobile or your laptop to click the options quickly as soon as you see the question, okay? This is going to be very super easy question, okay? So let's get here the 10th question, the last question, and I can see still 25 players, 26 players are ready. Yes, and we have the next question, very easy question. Get ready, students. When NaCl is added to water, okay, look at your device. Freezing point is raised, boiling point is depressed, freezing point does not change, boiling point is raised. Freezing point is raised, boiling point is depressed, freezing point does not change, boiling point is raised. When you add NaCl to water, what will happen? Yes. 38, 37, 36. By this time everyone should have been answered this question. All the 4 colligative properties. Please remember what will happen. 24 seconds are left and Vinod has already given me the answer. Ishan, yes, if you work studying hard from now, you can still get, the academic session has just started. You can definitely work hard from now and get top 1000 rank, and you can follow our Sankalp series for that. Okay, last 1 second, and I have 11 students giving correct answer and 8 students giving wrong answer. This is very depressing because this was one of the most easiest question. We have studied 4 colligative properties: elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point. That means when you add a solute, boiling point increases, freezing point decreases, right? So freezing point is raised? No. Boiling point is depressed? No. Depression in freezing point, elevation in boiling point. So both the options are wrong. Freezing point does not change? No. Freezing point will change when you add a solute. It will decrease. Yes. And the last option, boiling point is raised. That is the correct one. Okay. So the correct answer is option number D, and 11 students have given. And now we have come to the most important part of this session, where we will be seeing the final leaderboard, the final person who has got the first position, and that is here. Let's see. So the counting is going on, and Abhi has got, and I want to see who is the fastest person in this particular quiz. Okay, so we have Abhi. So a big round of applause for Abhi here, who has got 8,218 points and leading that leaderboard. Okay, so congratulations, Abhi. Yes. So Rupa BD, I am Abhi, ma'am. Can you tag me please, because my mom name is Rupa. Oh, sorry dear. So yes, Abhi is here, and we have, okay, so we have here 8218 points for Abhi. Okay, and then it was followed by Tom, then Rupa, then Johnny, then Chandana BA, then Nisha Naik, then ET. S last, second last was Manvita, and we have Usha. So students, this is just a competition, so please don't get disheartened if you are getting low rank or whatever. This is just for a fun, so that like you can enjoy learning as well as you can compete with your friends. So whichever questions you did wrong, so please revise those questions, revise those concepts, because in exam also you will be having this much time only, 60 seconds, 30 seconds for each question. Means you have to manage your time accordingly. So as fast as you can do, that should be your priority, accuracy plus speed, right? Okay, so I'll be answering students. If you have any doubt, please put down in your YouTube comment section, and we will be now answering some of your questions. So yes, Rupa Shri has asked, ma'am, in boards we have calculator in board exam. Yes, Rupa, you can use calculator in the board exam. It is allowed. Okay. No, Ishan, you are not late. You can start the series right now. I think hardly 1 or 2 chapters have been completed in all the subjects, most probably. You can definitely start here. You are not late at all. Okay. Ma'am, when will we know that there is a test? So dear, please be in touch with our channel, subscribe our channel, you will be knowing. And before any quiz session like this, we also add some shorts, we inform you. Okay, and please, if you watch our videos regularly, you will definitely know. And one more important thing is, please join our WhatsApp channel. Link will be there in the description section. There also all the updates regarding the classes will be there. Okay, So students, please tell me, how was the class? How was the quiz? Did you enjoy the class? Did you enjoy the questions? Were the questions interesting or not? Please give me your feedback. Thanks a lot, ma'am, Anusha. So thank you, dear. Most welcome. Yes, more 10 questions. Okay, Indian cricket. So this was just, we were practicing. So this platform is new for everyone, for you people. So we were practicing. Definitely we will be increasing the number of questions. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Anusha. It was really helpful, and I hope you should be practicing with us, and I hope to see you in every session. Okay, yes, Anusha, you can take logarithm book in the boards as well. Okay, means you cannot take your own book. They will provide you the log table in the exam. Okay. Chandana BA, please see the syllabus, whichever chapters are there, just do their previous year questions. Okay, all the important questions you can prepare, and you will be able to do good. Normal calculator only, no ma'am, not scientific. Yes, Rupashri, only normal calculator, no scientific calculator is allowed. Yes, Rupashri, it will be there for all the subjects, do not worry. Okay, KV Lavanya, ma'am, how to join the leaderboard? There you don't have to join the leaderboard, you have to join the quiz. If you perform well, means if you are the top scorer, if you are answering first, then your name will be there in the leaderboard. So those students who will be answering fast and correctly, their name. So you may have answered correctly, but you have taken more time than others, then also your name will not be there. So answering correctly plus fast will lead your name to the leaderboard. Okay. Rupa BD, thank you ma'am, it was good. Okay dear, most welcome. Yes, the questions were very interesting, Lasya. So yes, Lasya, I hope you would be practicing certain more questions. Vinod Kumar, tomorrow no quiz. Vinod, tomorrow we will not be having quiz. We will be informing you when the next quiz session is there. Okay. Okay, students, any more doubts, please put down, or else we will be winding up this session today. You are having the next class on our Sankalp batch. Today you have Ankit sir's and Jasmine ma'am's class, so please do not forget to attend them. And yes, okay, any more doubts, please put down quickly, or else I will be winding up this session. Rupashri, ma'am, every day do we have this quiz, or when do you have any timetable for this? So Rupashri, we will be letting you very soon about the timetable for the quiz, which day, which chapter. Till let us just plan quickly, and we will inform you. Okay. For now, we had this quiz yesterday and today. Next quiz, when it will happen, which subject, which chapter, we will notify you. Okay. So yes, compound success. The session was awesome, ma'am. So thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Yes, Rupashri, thank you, ma'am, for the session. Really helped learn more concepts also. That's great, dear. The more questions we solve, the more perfect we become. So always try to solve more and more questions. Yashas Mogar got 3125 rank in KCET because of you. So dear, thank you so much, and this really means a lot, and you have done a very good rank. 3000, you will be getting the top colleges. Please don't worry, just make sure that you do the perfect option entry. Put as many options as you can, put backup options, safe colleges, dream colleges. So all these options, if you make properly, you can watch our videos how to prepare your option entry. Definitely you will be ending up with a very good college, and all the best to you. Yes dear, we will be continuing with such quizzes, don't worry. Yes, Vinod Kumar, tomorrow's class time. So Vinod, tomorrow is Sunday. We don't conduct Sankalp classes on Sundays. It is only from Monday to Saturday. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday is your physics and chemistry. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday is bio and maths, 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Sunday is a time for you people to revise whatever we have studied for the whole week. Okay. Anusha, don't worry, we will be making a detailed video on marks and ranks for KCET. For 2025, we have already made, means for this year's. You can just have a look at that, and for 2026, we will be making videos soon. Okay. Yes, Rupa Shri, definitely you can. We have students, if you have seen our interview sessions, we have so many students with us who have only studied from YouTube, from our different batches, that like free batches which we run on YouTube. Last time we had 60 out of 60 series, we have Brahmastra series, we have then KCET Master Stroke series. By learning from these series, the students have really got very good rank. So you can definitely trust us and prepare from us and get a good rank. Okay, Ashia, thank you ma'am, thank you so much students. Yes, Anusha, definitely we will be soon making a video on timetable as well. Okay, so whichever videos you find is needed for you, please put down in the main comment section of this video. We will be picking up the comments and we'll be making videos on that, so that it will be helpful for all of you. Okay, with this session, with this I will be winding up this class. So today is Saturday. Please go and start your maths and bio classes are there. They are scheduled for today, so please don't miss them. And all the best, and see you next very soon on the next live session. And I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Bye bye, take care. Okay, Fatima, wait, please Fatima, I'm waiting for you. Yes, okay, I'll take this last question, and other students, if you have no doubt, you can leave the session. Okay, I'll just take last question of Fatima. Bye Rupashri, Ashia. Okay. Okay, I think there's no more question. So okay Fatima, I will be making videos on notes. Okay, don't worry, we will be making videos on that as well. Okay, so now I'll be taking a final bye here for everyone. Bye bye, take care, and have a very good holiday tomorrow, Sunday. Please enjoy.